The QuickBooks mobile app is a phenomenal resource for small business owners and one that we recommend that all of our bookkeeping clients take advantage of. It allows you to run your business on the go, provides clear visibility into finances, and it integrates seamlessly with Gusto, our preferred payroll and HR provider. Today I'll be taking you through some of the more useful features of the QuickBooks app so you can see how it can be best utilized for your business. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. Here you have access to a plethora of options. You can see your company's profit and loss, send invoices on the go, keep your customers up to date, and much more. If we hop over to the menu section, I have shortcuts set up for many useful features such as mileage, my P&Ls under Performance Center, and my favorite, the Receipt Snap. Within Receipt Snap, I have the ability to, with my phone, scan a receipt. Let's say I had one here. After the receipt has been scanned in, QuickBooks will allow you to categorize it to the appropriate setting, and better yet, the app will begin to learn you and your habits. For instance, let's say that I go to Office Depot once a week to buy new envelopes and folders. The app will learn my tendencies and will know to categorize that as an office expense. One of the other great features is the mileage aspect. QuickBooks mobile app has the ability to auto-track your miles. As you might be aware, when it comes tax time at the end of the year, being able to properly account for your business miles as opposed to personal miles is very important, and the QBO mobile app allows you to do just that, amongst other things. These are just a few of the features within the app. Thanks for watching our tutorial on the QuickBooks Online mobile app, and we hope that it helps provide you with the tools needed to help your business run on the go. I'm George Wilson with Southern Payroll and Benefits. If you'd like to do a deeper dive into the QBO mobile app or QuickBooks Online in general, please feel free to give us a call, or you can always email us at info@southernpv.com. Thanks.